This hypnosis is for those who experience looping or repetitive thoughts. These thoughts may have been circling in your mind, creating frustration, exhaustion, or anxiety. It's important to recognize that these thoughts are not your fault. They were created by your mind in an attempt to protect or to help you in some way. But now, they no longer serve you. And today, we will guide you through the process of releasing them and replacing them with thoughts that support you. Remember, thoughts are closely tied to your feelings. Looping thoughts often lead to emotions like anxiety, frustration, or stress. But through this process, you will be gently release those thoughts and the emotions tied to them. In their place, you will welcome thoughts that bring calm, clarity, and positive energy into your life. Now start by finding a comfortable position. Allow your body to relax fully. Rest your hands and feet so they are not quite touching. And now gently roll your eyes upward as if you're looking into your own eyebrows. Focus your gaze on the real or imaginary spot above you and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let your eyelids close naturally, feeling how heavy and relaxed they become. With each breath you take, your body begins to relax more deeply. Every exhale releases tension from your muscles, allowing you to sink deeper into calm. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you completely as your body becomes heavier and more relaxed. Now imagine you are standing at the top of a staircase with 10 steps, leading down to a place of deep inner peace. And as I count down, you will step onto each step, feeling yourself go deeper into relaxation. Step 10, your body begins to soften. You're moving into step 9, your muscles relax completely. Moving into step 8, letting go of all tension. You move into step 7, feeling calm, washing over you. You're now at step 6, your mind becomes quieter. You're on step 5, halfway down, feeling safe and serene. Step 4, drifting deeper and deeper. Step 3, your thoughts slowing down, fading away. You're now in step 2, your entire body deeply relaxed. And now in step 1, arriving in a place of deep peace, fully calm and at ease. You are now in a state of deep relaxation, feeling safe, supported, and completely at peace. And from this place of calm, allow yourself to notice any thoughts that may still be present in your mind. These looping thoughts have been with you for a while, and they may have created feelings of frustration, worry, or tension. But right now, you don't need to engage with them, simply observe them from a distance. You can imagine these thoughts like clouds drifting across the sky, some light and fluffy, others heavier, darker. As you watch them, recognize that these thoughts do not define you. They are separate from you, and as you breathe, they begin to drift further away, creating more space for peace and clarity. Notice how the feelings connected to these thoughts, perhaps stress, frustration, or anxiety, are also beginning to fade as the thoughts drift away. These looping thoughts have been trying to protect you in some way, but they are no longer helpful. It is safe to release them now. You have the power to choose your thoughts. And as you begin to let go of these old patterns, these old thoughts, you invite new, positive thoughts into your mind. Repeat silently to yourself. I acknowledge these thoughts with kindness. I understand they were trying to help me. And now I choose to release them with peace and love. Feel the hold that these thoughts once had on you beginning to soften. Each thought that you release takes with it any emotional weight it was carrying, any frustration, anxiety, or stress. Your body starts to feel lighter and your mind clearer. Now imagine holding these looping thoughts, the looping thoughts that are very stubborn. Imagine holding these looping thoughts in your hands like a ball of tangled string. You don't need to force the knots apart. Just breathe deeply, and on the exhale, imagine a soft, compassionate light surrounding the string. With each breath, the light gently begins to untangle the knots, one by one. You don't need to do anything except of breathing slowly and deeply. As the strings become smoother, your thoughts loosen, and the emotions tied to them, tension and anxiety, also begins to dissolve. Each knot that unravels is a thought you no longer need, and with every breath, you let it go. The strings becomes clearer, smoother, and the weight of these old thoughts lifts from your mind. Now that you have released these looping thoughts, you have created a beautiful space within your mind. And into this space you will invite new supportive thoughts, thoughts that bring you peace, positivity, and strength. Imagine a soft golden light filling the space where the old thoughts once were. This light carries with it new thoughts that will support you in your life. These thoughts are calm, kind, and empowering. They are here to help you move forward with ease. Repeat silently to yourself. I am worthy of peace and calm. I choose thoughts that support me. My mind is clear, focused, and peaceful. I'm in control of my thoughts, and I choose positivity. Feel how these new thoughts bring a sense of relief and lightness to your mind and body. Every time you breathe, you allow more of these positive thoughts to fill your mind, creating a feeling of deep calm and confidence. Now that you have released all patterns and replaced them with supporting thoughts, you feel empowered and at peace. These new thoughts are now deeply rooted in your mind, and they continue to grow stronger every day. Repeat silently to yourself, I am free from looping thoughts. My mind is clear, calm, and focused. I choose thoughts that uplift and support me. I am in control of my thoughts and feelings. And each time you repeat these affirmations, you strengthen your ability to keep your mind calm, positive, and in control. You love listening to this recording because each time you feel your mind becoming clearer and more peaceful. Now imagine yourself standing beside a beautiful flowing river. The water is clear and gentle, moving smoothly past you. In the river you see any remaining thoughts, like leaves floating on the surface. Watch as the current gently carries the leaves downstream, taking them further and further away from you. As the river clears, you are left with a deep sense of peace. The water reflects your own clarity of mind, calm, clear, and free. You feel light and at ease, knowing that you are in control of your thoughts and your emotions. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5, and with each number, you will come back to full awareness, feeling refreshed, clear, and empowered. 1. Becoming aware of your body. 2. Your mind feeling light and peaceful. 3. Energy flowing back into your body. 4. Feeling awake and present. 5. Eyes open, feeling calm, refreshed, and in control of your thoughts. And if you are listening at night, you will now drift into a deep, restful sleep, free from looping thoughts. You awake feeling refreshed, calm and clear, ready to greet your day. And you can start doing it from right now. You have released the thoughts that no longer serve you and replaced them with positive, supportive ones. You are in control of your mind and emotions, and with every day you feel calmer, clearer, and more empowered.